Hello, this is Stephen Dvorak with Veritas Seed Data, wanting to give you a quick look at one of our tools that you can find on our website, veritasseeddata.com. This is what the landing page looks like. Just wanted to point out that at the bottom of that page, you will find additional links to other videos that go into more detail than I can do right now. Moving over to the tool that I wanted to show you or give you a quick look at. Tool number one is our wide area corn hybrid assessment tool that gives you direct access to and interface with our database. I've gone in and you'll be prompted to enter in restrictions that will cut down on the size of data you pull. I've entered in a narrow maturity range from a handful of hybrids, basically for the state of South Dakota, and that's the only restrictions I've set on the data I've pulled. Once you have the data pulled, you're prompted to enter in some other assumptions that will be needed to calculate bag values, and that's already been done here as well. So this is what the output section looks like. Just without going too deep into the weeds, I wanted to point out you can save your results to Excel so that you can view them and further analyze them separately on your own. This is what that looks like for the most part. I've added some color coding to draw your attention to some things, but this is basically what the output looks like. And this is one of the things that I wanted to draw your attention to, is that we think that economics are of ultimate consideration, and we answer the question, what is a bag, a unit of seed of a particular hybrid actually worth, and what is it worth to me? And so this tool will help answer that question. You enter in what you think the average hybrid is worth, and for this example I use $235 a bag. If that is the case, one of these top performers is actually worth about $30 more than the average hybrid. However, if you ask to pay a steep price for a hybrid, even though it's still a good hybrid, it may now be overpriced. And contrarily, if you come down and look at some of the poorer performing hybrids, but have an opportunity to take advantage of a fire sale, it actually may represent the best value of all your options. So this tool will give you the ability to negotiate effectively with your suppliers. It'll equip you with the information you need to know. The last thing I want to point out is that you can wade through the data. These tools give you ability to control your own destiny and wade around through the data and learn how hybrids actually behave and find out where they fit. This case points that out fairly quickly. When I was a seed agronomist for several different brands, I would generate wide area summaries, head-to-head summaries, and oftentimes would get outputs similar to this. Two hybrids across the whole state of South Dakota, pretty similar, average only $12 a bag difference in value. When in reality, if I look at just the western half of the state, I see that the LG number is the top performer, worth about $60 a bag more than the cropland number. But on the eastern half of the state, the opposite is true, and now the cropland number is about $75 a bag of more value than the LG number. These things get lost in wide area summaries that you get from seed companies. This tool allows you to directly control where the data is coming from, calculate bag values, and know exactly what you're looking at, and inform you so that you can effectively negotiate with your seed supplier. That said, that's all the time I got today. Thank you for your attention. We'll talk to you soon.